Alright guys, in the process of replacing the control arm for the S197 Mustang. This is a 2008 California Special, and so this is the new control arm. As you can see, I went ahead and put everything back together. So right here, basically you want to go in reverse when you're putting this arm back. So first of all, to uninstall this, you want to unbolt this first, and then you want to basically take the ball joints out of the you want to basically just take this ball joint out, and this side was easier to take out. The other side was a bitch. I had to like spray WD-40 on it and leave it for a while and then get back to it. Other than that, these bolts are pretty easy to come out. This was the worst bolt that you can basically, this is pretty much the worst bolt you can remove in here. So you guys are gonna have to unbolt the steering rack and push this forward, pull that bolt out. And then for me, it was basically not so much of taking this out. When you have to put it back in, that was a challenge for me, because somebody needs to hold the arm for you, and then you need to basically, slide this forward. You can see that bolt, I put it back, but yeah, you need to slide this assembly forward and then wiggle that big screw in there, and then make sure that it goes through to the other side. So that was a challenge for me. I couldn't do it by myself, so I had to basically call my wife, and then she had to hold this assembly while I went ahead and did that. So just a heads up there. But yeah, overall it was a pain in the ass. After many cuts and bruises, it's finally done. Make sure you wanna go ahead and tighten all these down, like really tight. You don't wanna. I basically used a bar. Can't seem to find it here, but yeah, I had this bar that I was using, just for more torque. But other than that, if you have a torque wrench, you can go ahead and torque them down. You can go to American Muscle and get the installation steps and use those. It's pretty simple for it. I don't think you really need those, but just make sure you go in the order. Unbolt this first, take the ball joint out, unbolt those, basically unbolt this right here, unbolt the steering rack, pull this forward, pull this screw out, and you're good to go. Alright, over and out.